Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Hindi translator. So, let's jump right into it. Your browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, I recommend doing so before we proceed. Imagine the convenience of translating Hindi text into English effortlessly using Bing Chat. Just insert your Hindi text and type "translate this in English," then hit enter. Bing Chat works its magic, swiftly and skillfully translating Hindi words into English, capturing the essence of the original content. But the linguistic journey doesn't stop there. Even if curiosity leads you to explore Hindi translation of an English phrase, the process remains consistently elegant. Just as before, say, "translate this to Hindi," followed by your desired English text. Witness Bing Chat's adept response as it provides the accurate Hindi translation with ease. While Bing Chat's capabilities are indeed impressive, it is important to acknowledge that accuracy can vary, especially in complex scenarios or when handling sensitive terms. Considering a second opinion for important decisions is always a wise choice. Thanks for joining us today. Now, you are equipped to explore Hindi with the help of Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.